Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to remove plot area border in column chart. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have data. So here I'm going to create first column chart. Simply select the data, go to the insert chart and in charts group click on the column chart. In 2D column click on the first column charts and you can see the column chart is inserted with the chart design tab and format tab. And here you can see when I keep cursor on this area, this is the name is a plot area. So I'm going to remove the border of this plot area. Simply click on the area and you can see the selection here. So showing the of plot area selection. And to remove this border, simply click on the border. I just click on here and you can see the selected border here showing the point. Okay. Start point to end point is showing. And simply again right click on the border and you can just click on the delete option and that's it. So this is a way you can remove plot area border easily. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.